the ultimate showering experience doesn't necessarily come from just one product, that it's how the entire shower can be tied together.
Accessories in general are really shifting from something that used to be utilitarian to decorative. And Moen has kind of allowed consumers now to match up their style and their finish and have recognized this trend and continue to bring products that are relevant, that continue to enhance bath environments. Thoughtful design to Moen is really staying on pulse with what's relevant to the consumers in both their homes and both in the markets.
We always have the consumer in mind whenever we're developing a product.
We've taken the time to think, what's the unmet need out there? What is the design that would translate over into shower accessories that also be stylish and make your bath a safe bath?
One of the big consumer pain points that we have found through our research is storage within the shower. In the Winford collection, we will have corner shower baskets. These will be in some of our most popular finishes, so it will provide an extra 7 inches of storage.
Consumers are looking for something that is going to be multifunctional.
We offer a corner shelf with grab bar.
So we have a safety feature, but also have tied in organization to that as well.
We know that bath safety has become an increasingly large concern for everybody within the shower.
We offer products that match different showering suites. They come in various finishes.
Walking into a home, they're really not even going to notice that it's a safety item because all they see is style. So I think by having style and function, the consumers are getting the best thing out of our accessories.
Moen offers a teak showering seat.
You can use it for safety or convenience. It folds down. We have introduced it in new finishes to match with all the faucets and hardware.
Today, curved rods are very relevant in the market, and people are looking for easier ways to install them. So Moen took the tension curved shower rod, which is a combination of the curved feature with an ease of installation. So now you have a curved rod that can install with just a single 3-step process.
Just to be able to take something from what a consumer says and actually bring a product to market, it's incredibly exciting.
In 2015 and beyond, we're going to continue to create products that are both relevant, that are fun, that are innovative, and continue to enhance that bath experience.